Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this short video tutorial, I'm in Python programming series. We are going to move forward with the next problem, or I would say an example based on list comprehension. Okay, so we have a actually very interesting task here. Today we need to actually convert out the first letters of the list into a list. Okay, so what I need to do here basically is, let's say if I'm having some names. Okay, what I need to do here, so I need to pick out K from here, S from here, and A from here. Okay, and I need to create out this individual letters list. How can I do that? So this is going to be done by the help of list comprehension. So let's say I have a name names variable here, which is going to store out my variable, I mean my data. Let's say Kajal. It's going to store Rahul. It's going to store, let's say, Amit. Else I can have Visha. Right, so these are the four names within the names list. What I want to store out the first letter of this list into a new list. I'm going to take another variable which will store the result. So I'm just going to take the new variable here with the name as first letters, which is going to store out my initial zeroth index letters. So we have given the operation. By the help of for loop, I can just traverse out, right? So name in names. So I'll just traverse out throughout the list, name in names. Okay, I want the zeroth index, so that's why I have given out here zeroth index. Simply nothing, just the code is being finished out. You can simply print out my first letter. If I'll just try to run it, I'll get my desired first letters list. You can check out here, right? So this is how beautifully you can just implement the concept of list comprehension within a single line, and you guys can deal out with such a, I would say, the difficult task, right? And unique things. So we just got the thing within one or two word. We have written the logic within one line, right? So I hope this is going to be a useful program and concept clearation of list comprehension in Python. If you guys are having any suggestions or questions, you can let me know. Thank you so much.